What's going on, guys? Got a no cooling call here. Got the thermostat set to cool, fan on auto, and I can hear the refrigerant moving, but no indoor fan motor. Checked the capacitor, it's good. Checked all the wire connections, everything's good. Pulled the thermostat off, jumped the wires out there, still no fan. So I believe we got a bad blower board. So I'm going to take the cover off here and get in there and replace the board. Alright, so you just want to take out these 4 screws on this side and the 4 screws on that side and pull your disconnect. Alright, we got the indoor fan switched to on, and we still don't have a fan, so I got one lead clamped on the transformer on 24 volts. And get my other lead, put it on the green wire for the fan, and we have 27 volts, so we got power coming to the board, but no fan, so it's going to be a bad blower board. Okay, to put the board in, these little things here, to get the old one out, you just squeeze the bottom here, squeeze these little things right here and pop them out, and put your new ones on your new board and just push it down in. Locks the board in place. Okay. Now to hook it up, just go wire for wire. So our other fan speed goes on the park terminal. The red here is our other fan speed. Go on to common. The brown, that's for our heat. Red, it's our normally open for our blower motor. And then we got our low voltage over here. The red in the back's our power coming in from the transformer. Okay. This red here is our power going to our field wires. And this red here is actually a common. I don't know why they have a red wire on there, but that's what that goes to. And this blue here is our other common. And the green is our fan. So our low voltage power coming in, our commons, our fan, and our fan blower motor wires over here, and our park terminal. Alright, it's all wired up. Let's see if it'll come on now. Switch the fan to on. There we go. Bad blower board. Alright, thanks for watching. See you on the next one.